Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Tuesday, the 24th of January. The euro produced gains as negotiations over the Greek debt haircut appears tough, yet constructive and far away from collapse. Newswires on Monday were dominated by the Eurozone finance ministers' meeting, which covered a wide array of issues besides the progress of Greek deal talks. Most importantly, there were discussions on the prospect of combining the European Financial Stability Facility and its successor, the European Stability Mechanism lending capacities. German Chancellor Merkel's reported stance is that the two funds' combined lending capacity cannot exceed €500 billion. Nevertheless, this may change as discussions progress and participants, including IMF, consider such a prospect promising. Versus the US dollar, the single currency advanced to 130.24 from 128.82. Against the Swiss franc, the euro rose to 120.71 from 120.39. The US dollar depreciated after a poor financial calendar day for the US and a Chinese bank holiday. Today, market participants will likely turn their focus on tomorrow's FOMC decision. Federal fund rate always dominates trading. However, this one is special, being the first time the new rate forecasts are due to be released. Additionally, Federal Bank Chairman Bernanke's press conference will be closely monitored as it could provide hints on the possibility of additional quantitative easing and even inflation targeting. The Australian dollar jumped to 105.26 from 104.89 versus the US dollar, and the British pound rose to 155.77 from 155.51 against the US dollar. Looking at commodities, we saw oil prices surge to $99.55 a barrel from $97.86. Gold rose to $1,679.07 an ounce from $1,671.20, and silver advanced to $32.43 an ounce from $32.31. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 129.50. The dollar-yen pivot points at 76.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 76.90. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 104.50. The sterling dollar pivot points at 154.95 with a preference to enter into long positions at 155. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 101.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.20. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 99.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 99.10. The gold pivot points at 1662 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1662, and the silver pivot points at 31.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 31.75. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the Japanese rate decision for January, released at 0.1% as expected. The EU industrial orders month-on-month for November forecast to drop by 2.2%, and Canadian retail sales for November forecast to rise by 0.2%. Now on to equities. In Europe, they were positive, with the FTSE up 0.94%, the DAX up 0.50%, and the CAC was up 0.51%. In the US, they were mixed, with the SP 500 up 0.62% and the Dow was down 0.09%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.22% and the Hang Seng was up 0.84%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.